Allah's unique qualities. If no one is like Allah, then surely there are qualities which no one but Allah possesses. Some of his sifats or qualities are: Number 1, Allah has created all mankind. He is our creator. Khaliq. Number 2, He gives nourishment to all His creatures. He is their provider. Razik. Number 3, He is the giver of life and death. Muhyi. Mumit. Number 4, He is the master of the universe. Malik. Number 5, He is all knowing. Alim. Number 6, He has no needs. Samad. Number 7, He is all seeing. Basir. Number 8, He is all hearing. Samia. Number 9, He is the light. Noor. Number 10, He is the Almighty. Kabir.